Murudeshwar, the other name of Lord Shiva, absolutely remains up to its name and possesses the earth's second tallest statue of Lord Shiva. Here are all the most desirable places to visit in Murudeshwar. There is something for all in this sacred environment. Take a glance at this list specified below and list your favorites. Number 1. Sri Murudeshwar Temple. Found on the range of Kandukagiri, the temple is enclosed by the sea on all three sides, and its tall statue is a fabulous place to see. Pilgrims flock from all across the nation for a glimpse of this majestic sculpture. Number 2. Murudeshwar Beach. An ideal getaway for visitors to experience the cool waters dashing over the shores. Gorge on the local cuisine at the small shacks near the beach and enjoy the several coconut dishes. Number 3. Nethrani Island. A stunning coral island, is only an impressive 19 km boat drive off from Murudeshwar. The cerulean waters of this hearty island of Nethrani are perfect for scuba diving. Enjoy scuba diving and snorkeling and get views of orcas, land whale sharks here. Number 4. Mirjan Fort. It is a wonderful live example of our brave past. Expanded across a space of 4.1 hectares, this old charm is a land where conflicts were fought in the 16th and 17th centuries. Number 5. Gokarna. Ranging from pristine beaches and stunning temples to crystal clear waters and relaxing weather, this place has received it all. The serenity that blows from this town is definitely unmatchable, and that is what gives it amongst the must-visit Murudeshwar tourist places. Number 6. Statue Park. The rich green lawns offer an ideal location to see the grand Shiva statue. All the nature fans and photography enthusiasts would love this place for sure. Do you know, the park is decorated with other decorative stone sculptures and an artificial waterfall, a perfect picnic spot. Number 7. Jali Beach. Tranquil roads would lead you to this clean, pristine beach away from the pollution and crowded areas. Rest under the tall coconut trees or get a stroll along the coastal shore as this lovely town graces you with its peace. Number 8. Kolur Mukambika Temple. Devoted to goddess Parvati, this temple received its name from the popular story that believes the goddess destroyed a demon with the chakra. Number 9. Apsara Konda Falls. The lush green forested surroundings, the hills, and the lovely pond mesmerize all its tourists. Do you know, Apsara Konda Hill comprises several big and small caves identified as Pandava Caves. Number 10. Murudeshwar Market. The city is a home of unique, colorful idols, and there are countless pieces you can discover to get back from here. You can also purchase an original jewelry item and join it in your itinerary of assets while taking a jewelry box here. Tell us in the comment section which place you liked most. For more information, visit our website footstepsbeyond.com, link is in the description.